Today I have the Philips Sonicare 4100 Power Toothbrush right here. It is a pressure sensor toothbrush with 2 intensities, 5 times better plaque removal plus de plaque plus. I can't speak French or anything like that, but we're going to go ahead and open this up. I'm going to show you this. It says 1 handle, 1 charger, 1 brush head. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open the 4100 up. It comes with the C2 Optimal Plaque Control toothbrush head. It's a soft, densely packed, bristle target plaque in hard to reach areas. This is what we're looking at. It says pressure sensor, 2 intensities, brush head replacement reminder on here. You can see right there. It says 14-day battery life, 2-minute smart timer. You can try to combine the 2 words and it looks kind of funny. All right. And it has 30 seconds quad pacer. So what that means is after 30 seconds of brushing, it will notify you with a slight pulse to move to a different quadrant of your mouth. If that makes any sense. Probably doesn't. And it's safe and gentle, and if you can see right here, it says a USB plug, so you can charge this up with a USB, which is kind of different from how the older chargers were, where they had no USB power adapter. And on the side, it just simply shows what the toothbrush looks like in action on the side. You can see it's vibrating. I guess you can't see it's vibrating, but they're trying to come up with imagery that replicates vibrating on the tooth, and you can see the water coming between the teeth right here. And the sonic action is supposed to actually help remove some of that plaque. On the side says advanced Sonicare technology, Sonicare fluid action. Fluid gently pulses between the teeth. That's what it's showing right there, the fluid gently pulsing between the teeth. Along the gum line with sonic brush strokes, gently and effectively remove plaque to improve gum health. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up after talking about it extensively. Let's see. I'm going to try to open it up gently. All right, so there's a handle right here. And gently pull this back. And I'm going to go ahead and slide this out. And on the inside of this, here it is. It says register now. You can register now if you want to. You can do that later. It says this is equal. At Philips, we're committed to sustainability in addition to making our packaging from recycled and recyclable materials. You can read that later. About saving the planet. And the first thing I'm going to pull out is the charger, the USB charger that comes with this. You can see this right here. Fairly small, a USB end right here. It's clipped with one of those sandwich bags ties right there. And I'm going to, there's plastic that's wrapped around here, and I'm guessing that it's to protect the base from scratches or whatnot. So I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to pull out the head of the toothbrush. This is the C2 head that they were talking about that's supposed to be really effective. Philips Sonicare, it says on it right here. I'll bring it closer so you can see it a little bit. So it says Philips Sonicare C2, and this is what the head looks like right there. I'm going to go ahead and put that back in, and this is the bottom of it. And we'll be attaching that to the Philips Sonicare toothbrush. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Protective packaging. Now, with the Philips Sonicare 4100, it's a relatively small body, fairly basic looking toothbrush, basic functionality, but it gets the job done. So I'm going to go ahead and take the head, and to put the head on, just go ahead and place it, line it up, the front with the front, slide it down, till it pops into place like that. So once it pops into place, the Philips the Philips Sonicare toothbrush is in place, and it is ready to be charged. Now, when you're using the toothbrush, it is important that you charge it before you start using it. Charge it until it's completely charged. I'm going to turn it on really quick so you can see it vibrating really quick. You can hear it vibrating. You can see the bristles vibrating at a rapid pace right here. I'm kind of getting close so you can see that. You can see I'm going to turn it off, turn it on. Now there's two settings like they talked about on this, and to get to the settings, you just go ahead and tap this. Watch this. So you turn it on, and you tap it very quickly, again, to get to the different setting, and it goes from low to high. So it's low right now. To turn it on high, turn it back off, turn it back on, and then tap it twice really quickly. You hear that? It changes the pitch, and that's how you know it's in high. All right, so when you're done with it, turn it off, and then go ahead and replace it. Put it back on to the charger, plug the charger back into a USB, and you are off to charging your Philips Sonicare toothbrush. That's the review of this toothbrush and unboxing. I hope this was helpful. I hope you can use this. Thanks a lot for watching.